When we hear the name Albert Einstein, most of us picture the wild hair, the gentle smile, and maybe even the famous equation E=mc². But behind the image was a man whose ideas didn't just change physics, they changed the way we think about reality itself. Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany. As a child, he was slow to speak, and some people even thought he might never catch up. But from an early age, he was filled with curiosity. He once said he remembered staring at a compass as a boy, wondering, what force is moving that needle? That sense of wonder never left him. School wasn't easy. Einstein hated strict rules and rote memorization. He preferred to think, to ask why. In fact, after graduating, he struggled to find a teaching job and ended up working in a patent office. But it was in that quiet office, examining inventions, that his mind began shaping ideas that would revolutionize science. In 1905, at just 26 years old, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers in a single year. Scientists call it his Annus Mirabilis, his miracle year. In those papers, he explained the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and of course, the most famous equation in history, E=mc². That tiny formula revealed that energy and matter are interchangeable, 2 sides of the same coin. But his most mind-bending idea came later: general relativity. Imagine saying that space and time are not fixed but flexible, that massive objects like stars and planets bend space-time itself, like a heavy ball on a trampoline. Gravity wasn't just a mysterious pull, it was the very geometry of the universe. This wasn't just theory. In 1919, astronomers observed starlight bending during a solar eclipse, exactly as Einstein predicted. Overnight, Einstein became a global celebrity. His name was on newspapers around the world, but Einstein wasn't driven by fame. At his core, he was a philosopher as much as a physicist. He often said, "The most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious." He believed science and wonder went hand in hand. Einstein also lived through turbulent times. He saw the horrors of 2 world wars. Though he was a pacifist, he also warned about the dangers of Nazi Germany, and later, he urged world leaders to prevent nuclear catastrophe. Beyond physics, Einstein gave us wisdom about life itself. He spoke about imagination being more important than knowledge. He urged people to live with curiosity, humility, and compassion. His words continue to inspire not just scientists, but anyone searching for meaning. Einstein died in 1955. But his legacy is everywhere, from GPS systems that rely on relativity, to the search for black holes, to the way we think about the universe itself. Einstein leaves us with a timeless challenge. Do we see the world as a fixed, rigid place, or as a mystery waiting to be explored? And more importantly, do we approach life with fear or with wonder?